Hello, hello, hello. We are back again with the season finale episode of Bowl or Brown Out Loud, a podcast where we bring to you chatpati real life desi stories. I'm your host Sania and I'm joined by my co-host and sister Anam.
If you're new here, then what have you been doing all this time? Go and listen to the earlier episodes where we've been sharing stories that are making people lol. Regular listeners, let's get this episode started.
Like we said, we've reached the grand finale. Ta-da!
म्यूजिक
Woohoo!
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
Yeah, Anam. Who knew we had these many stories to share with the world?
And still stories are left. 18 episodes, Sanya. 18
Yeah.
episode.
That's a big accomplishment given most podcasts end at 4. अनम का वही डर था सबसे ज्यादा
I
कि
was
हम
so
लोग
relieved
इतना
when the
लड़ेंगे
fifth episode जब release हुआ, so I was like एक रेखा पार की हम लोग ने बहुत बड़ी.
Yeah.
But Sanya, we had like the toughest thing was to decide which kissa to give spotlight to every
Yeah.
episode. Yeah. Oh my god, that was like
That
stressful
was
to say the
hard.
least.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it used to feel nice when people would say, oh, this was so funny. So it was kind of worth it.
And yeah, I want to talk about how both of us signed a contract about not revealing who we were referring to in our किस्सा क्योंकि हम लोग की फिर जिंदगी अकारत हो जाती. इसी वजह से हमारी फैमिली में एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली में गेस हु गेम चलता है आफ्टर एवरी पॉडकास्ट बिकॉज दे आर लाइक विच आंट वाज शी रेफरिंग टू किसने बाथरूम में बुलाया था उसको ये तो नहीं
कहीं
थी
वो
एंड
मैं नहीं थी
हाँ तुम थी रसोई में. But Sanya, best of luck to us when we're visiting India. We have a lot of people with a lot of questions. But हमारा
I
हाथ तो मुंह
know.
बंद है कानून की वजह से.
Yeah. Fake कानून, but yeah. That's what we're going to say. A code of ethics for a
Code of
journalist.
ethic. बड़ा अपने को जर्नलिस्ट भी बना लिया सानिया ने एक ही 18 एपिसोड में. I was really taken aback because we really didn't expect anyone would hear us except Seher.
Who
Because
never
she
heard
would.
us.
Yeah. We're like, Seher, तुमने हम लोग का podcast सुना है? And she's like, guys, 7th episode was so good. And we're like, we're like on the last episode. And ये अभी भी 7 पे catch up कर रही है. But Sanya, I think the biggest piece that stays with me is the heartening responses that I used to get from people that, you know, it
I
made me
know.
connect with so many people on a regular basis. And when the week when we don't release, I literally get messages and calls saying, "कहाँ है? हाँ? Record क्यों नहीं किया?" And I'm like, bi-weekly. Not bi-weekly, bi-monthly.
I know. Like that was really nice. Like my friends would like write me long, long messages and send me like notes about like what they liked, how it was funny. So that was really nice to hear.
And the irritating thing was when we used to work on a topic, we used to reach out to any and everybody and say, कोई किस्सा है तो बताओ, and they would be like, नहीं भाई नहीं है. And then after we recorded the episode, तुम ये कह सकती थी कि तुमने एक बार ये वो they all the can of worms used to open. I'd be like, thanks for telling me. So that's why maybe we have a lot of content for season 2.
It's like, yeah, like it was nice that it sparked conversation. Like people would reflect back on what they had done, which was the unexpected part, I feel. कि They would say, oh, I had a similar story, or मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ. Or a lot of times we would hear, my God, like, what lives have you all lived? Which
Yeah.
was funny.
And but I really like the one piece which was our first intention was the nostalgic thread across all of this was that people could relate and talk about like going back to the cinemas or just walk down memory lane and just having that shared experience and recollecting all those fond memories. I think that was really nice where people were sharing, oh, I also did this.
Yeah.
Tanya's like, yeah, मैं इतनी nostalgic नहीं थी, but anyway. सानिया, बहुत सारी ऐसी कहानियाँ थी जो एडिट हो गई जिन और बहुत सारे बिहाइंड द सीन्स थिंग्स हुए और हम लोग तो वीडियो पॉडकास्ट करते नहीं हैं तो हमारे बिहाइंड द सीन्स जो हैं लिटरली वर नॉट रिकॉर्डेड बट आई थॉट दिस वाज अ गुड एपिसोड टू शेयर ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड ऑल्सो come up with a new game for the grand finale. So I did extra homework, which you would
Finally.
appreciate.
And हमने
Yes.
पहली बार homework किया.
एंड मैं थोड़ा एज यूजुअल आउट ऑफ सिलेबस गई जो सानिया को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आएगा तो शायद ये काट देगी वो बट एनीवे द न्यू गेम इज कॉल्ड वेरी ओरिजिनल झूठ बोले कौवा काटे
Chewed bullet, kawakata. What was the
हाँ,
accent?
क्योंकि क्योंकि तुम यही बोलती कि अब मैं बोलती झूठ बोले कौवा काटे तुम कहती ओह रेवन व्हाटएवर
Huh?
तो सानिया बेसिकली द रूल ऑफ द गेम इज बिकॉज यूल बी लाइक रूल्स क्या हैं टाई होगी तो क्या होगा एंड ऑल दैट शिट बिफोर यू लाइक डू अ डेबी डाउनर ऑन दिस if you lie I will get to know I have a lie detector app and I will just scream out liar to you and the kawa will not be happy so I have a set of questions and then I believe you have a set of questions and we will see कौन सच बोलता है और बोल रहा है 18 एपिसोड्स में ठीक है सानिया
Kawa
Are you
will
ready?
decide. Yes.
Kawa will decide. Na Nina Gupta, na Amit ji. Today we have called Kawa on the hot seat. Okay, Sanya, ready?
Yes.
Okay, Kawa ये पूछना चाहता है आपसे कि do you eat while recording the podcast?
No.
झूठ बोल रही हो तो मुझे पक्का लग रहा है but let's see what does the Kawa say. Okay, Kawa says you're telling the truth. Sanya eats before and after and then
Never
chews the
during.
whole time. But this is shocking, Sanya. The one time you don't eat doing a task. Okay, I'm proud of you. Okay, Sanya, your question. What is the Kawa going to ask me?
Okay. Kawa wants to know, have you paused a podcast to blow your nose?
No. This is you question, Sanya. This don't bring
Jhoot bole kawa kaate.
Please. I have no nasal issues.
Yes, Anam, you actually didn't even pause. Technically, Anam just in the flow of recording just blew her nose. On my headphones, I had to hear that.
I am the sound engineer everyone needs. Natural talent है मेरे में. Okay, Sanya, Kawa wants to know and the world wants to know that have you fallen off the chair when recording?
I have. I fell off the chair when we were recording Nina Gupta. I had just told Anam कि today you will do the polls, and she said okay. And then Nina ji prakat ho gayi. I fell off the chair. Yes.
Yes, that moment was hilarious and it's on one day we're going to release that video because मुझे लगा सानिया क्या भूखा मार गया है because she disappeared from the chair and I could hear some sounds. They didn't sound like laughter but gasping for breath. And then
But
Sanya was like,
technically, Anam, I wasn't laughing because you were so funny. I was so taken aback, and मेरी chair में पहिए हैं, तो वो पीछे चले गए, तो मैं गिर गई.
ज्यादा प्रिविलेज ना बनो मेरी चेयर में पहिए हैं सबकी चेयर में पहिए होते हैं एनीवे कौवा खुश हुआ सानिया ने फाइनली ट्रूथ बताया कि वो कुर्सी से गिर गई उस कुर्सी का अब क्या हाल है ये आप सीजन 2 में सुनिएगा बट सानिया अब कौवा आपसे पूछना चाहता है एक क्वेश्चन मेरे लिए सो गो अहेड
Okay, Kawa wants to know, did you ever forget to switch on the mic?
Very funny. This has happened, and I will tell the truth. Yes, but I did retake.
कौवे
Sanya.
से काफी डरती हो, अनम सच बोल रही हो.
काटने से डरती हूँ चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंसेस की वजह से बट ओके कौवा वांट्स टू नो डिड यू फॉरगेट टू अपलोड द एपिसोड
No.
सानिया जस्ट वांटेड टू जस्ट बी लाइक मैं कितनी एफिशिएंट हूँ एनीवे ये पता नहीं क्यों क्वेश्चन आया है सानिया
All right, Anam. Kawa wants to know, did you ever release an episode early क्योंकि तुम्हें confusion था dates का?
जब एक महीने में 5 हफ्ते होते हैं और हम लोग महीने में 2 बार एपिसोड करते दैट इज टू मच गणित
कौन सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लगता है
Okay, and then people were happy. We got the best response for that episode. So it wasn't a mistake for the world. मुझे गर्व से मैं कह सकती हूँ कि I released an episode early and I would do it again if it's under my control.
Okay, कौवा खुश हुआ अनम, काफी सच बोल रही हो तुम.
Okay, my chance. Sanya, did you ever make up stuff for the kissa?
No. But creative liberties तो लेनी पड़ती हैं यार थोड़ी सी to
When
conceal
you
identity.
basically when you're saying creative liberty, you just added my part to it and said that Anam's reaction was this and this is what Anam did, just to
Yeah, I
add
mean,
spice to your story.
the world doesn't revolve around you, Anam. Sorry to tell
It
you
does
that.
on this podcast with only two people to the party, but Kawa is unsure. It's saying so technical error हो गया इसमें. ना सच ना झूठ ये होता है जब हमारे पास evergreen liars आते हैं podcast पे. So Kawa जी इस बार पास करेंगे ये चीज. सानिया अगला question.
Okay, Anam, क्योंकि तुम इतना सच बोल रही हो. Last question. Anam, did you ever cheat on polls?
जी नहीं ये अफवाहें जो आपने पूरी जगह
झूठ
फैलाई
बोले
हैं
कौवा काटे.
गा दिया इसने finally. Kawa is saying I have not cheated on polls. Please check. ये
Kawa
जो तुमने
is
अफवाहें
gonna
फैली हैं
bite your ass. Because you have been caught lying.
Sanya, we'll now have to bleep this word. But anyway, so Sanya, I think the Kawa says that I won because I tell the truth. I'm just going to take this make believe Kawa trophy and put it in my trophy shelf, make believe trophy shelf, and stare at it because I have got an award for being honest.
Wow! Once in a lifetime अनम को honesty के लिए reward मिला है on a game जो इन्होंने खुद ही construct किया था. Good for you, Anam. You
Very
deserve it.
funny. जाओ कुर्सी से गिर जाओ. Anyway, enough of this game. Let's move to the next section. Okay, Sanya, now I have another section and it's very original and I am calling it Khayali Pulao.
Woo!
Basically, in the Western world, it is called manifestation, but हम लोग बुलाते हैं उसको ख़याली पुलाव. So I wanted us to manifest. We wished certain people joined us on certain episodes, and what would that look like? So just giving a sneak peek. But dream करने में क्या जाता है ना सानिया? ख़याली पुलाव बनाने में.
True. I am
And
interested in your khayali pulao.
as you mentioned, that's the only cooking that you do is make khayali pulao. So this should be easy peasy for you. Okay, Sanya,
Cool.
I have taken a couple of our themes that we have covered in this season, and if we were supposed to manifest them and redo them in season 2, which guess what you want and what would you ask them? Okay, are you ready,
Okay.
Sanya?
Yeah.
The first episode that we're thinking about right now is hosting. Who would you want to call for the hosting episode and what would you ask them? Tick, 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 tick,
Ah.
tick, tick.
You know, I would ask Neeta Ambani for hosting and I would say क्या आपके रिश्तेदार भी
Goat.
गुस्सा होते हैं क्या आप भी fish sieve overseas guest के लिए बनाती हैं so I would want her to answer that.
Yeah, I mean, she's the goat in hosting, so that would be a good episode. Okay, I think I would call Meghan Markle.
Megan Sussex का नाम.
Whatever, because मुझे उनसे ये पूछना है क्योंकि हम लोग ने काफ़ी hosting में discuss किया था सानिया how we have cutlery for VIP guests and we have cutlery for the royals that never end up in our house, but she is married to a royal and she is a royal. तो क्या उसकी एक ही cutlery है या there is division because Prince Harry is inside the house?
That's a good one.
Okay, the next one is traveling abroad. Who would you want to call?
I would ask Karan Johar कि वो भी toiletries चुराता है या नहीं.
ओके मैं एग्जिट कर जाऊंगी तब जब तुम ये क्वेश्चन पूछोगी बट या आई वांट टू think about our episode around airport. Who would you call? Because there are so many celebrities doing airport looks and everything, but which celebrity would you call for the airport episode?
I don't know. Maybe Shah Rukh Khan can answer कि क्या उसने कभी कुछ किया है to get a business class seat.
उसने बहुत कुछ किया है. अब now he has his own jet, that's why. But we want to ask him maybe that when he was um, struggling through Bollywood, did he try doing things to get to business class? So Shah Rukh Khan, if you're listening, please reply to us.
एक मिनट मैं भी शाहरुख बोल रहा हूँ मैं तुम दोनों की
हम बस एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं कि क्या जुगाड़ किया आपने बिजनेस क्लास के लिए. But Sanya, does anyone come to mind when we think about ride share? Like, who do you want to share an Uber drive with?
Oh, who I would want to share an Uber drive with? I don't know. Maybe Sumuki Suresh. Like, it would be a fun conversation to have. Like, she would be a fun rider.
Yeah, totally. I would love to be the driver in that car if I'm not sharing the ride. Okay, the last one is siblings. I know we've really put the benchmark really high with Seher, Sanya, and Anam bashing the whole world, but who would we want to call for siblings? I think I have the answer.
Okay, go ahead.
I would like to call Zakir Khan, and I would like to call his two brothers.
Ooh, because he does have two brothers. Yeah.
Zishan and Arbaz. So it'll be Seher, Sanya, and Anam, Zishan, Arbaz, and Zakir Khan, and we will discuss sibling dynamics, all boys and all girls.
That would be a cool episode.
Yeah, I know. But
Khayali Pulao,
पुलाव
Max
बन
Max.
गया. मैक्स प्रो बन गया ख्याली पुलाव. तो ये था हमारा ख्याली पुलाव. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आप बस सुनिए और हंसिए हमारी औकात पे क्योंकि हम लोग इतने बड़े बड़े ख्याली पुलाव बना रहे हैं. ओके सानिया, so like you've seen that I've done so much of homework for this episode, I have come up with another unique game. Not a game but a category, because हम लोग का अगर सीजन खत्म हो रहा है तो हम लोग अवार्ड्स क्यों नहीं कर रहे? So
True,
I
it's
thought-
award season.
Yeah, I know. Right before Oscars and big awards, we should do bowl awards. So Sanya, I have some categories and I have put those chits in front of you and you're going to read out the answers, okay? This is exciting. Everyone's on the edge of their seat. The carpets have been rolled and blah, 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 blah. Okay, Sanya, ready?
Yes.
So, the audience favorite episode award goes to
Ta-da! Siblings.
Yay! So clearly दो चीजें हो सकती हैं इस comeback इस आंसर से सानिया कि either people like Seher and people were done with just the two of us, or what's the other reason, Sanya?
टिप्पणी नहीं चाहिए है हम लोगों को अनम अवार्ड्स में. आपकी टिप्पणी नहीं चाहिए. Thank you
मैंने
very
अवार्ड्स
much.
बनाए इसमें टिप्पणी होती है. Okay, anyway, so this was the favorite episode because people really liked all three of us on stage and like there was no room for doubt.
maybe people really तुम्हारी असलियत खुली बहुत ज्यादा.
Mm.
2 versus 1 हो गया था.
Next award. Okay, हमारा next award है personal favorite episode of the two host. तो सानिया आपने ये अवार्ड किसको दिया है? What's your personal favorite?
मैं दूंगी हमारा second episode जो था bathrooms.
Yes, a lot of people were talking about the Shatafa. So, Sanya, your personal favorite is bathroom, and my personal favorite is doctors, going to the doctor. मुझे काफ़ी feedback मिला कि people really enjoyed and felt that हमारे experiences काफ़ी unique थे जो हम लोग को आज तक लगा नहीं था कि हमारे experiences unique है.
True.
हाँ. And now people have started sending us sports info like just so that we level up a little bit. They were just shocked कि हम लोग sports area में इतने जाहिल हैं. But हाँ, the next award is a very important award. It is the Critics' Choice Award. And which better critic than Amma herself? So, Sanya, which was Amma's favorite now that she's the critic of the podcast?
Her favorite episode was School.
I could have guessed that. Like, she really thought we did justice to that. And obviously, she featured in it. So she's like, ye mera favorite tha. Wonder where Sanya gets all of this from. Anyway, the next award is the one that got us most in trouble.
And it was none other than the episode on bosses.
Yes. Guys, I'm just saying that अब शायद मैं लखनऊ ना आ पाऊँ जिंदगी भर क्योंकि थोड़े लोग ने मेरे प्रीवियस बॉस को वो एपिसोड भेज दिया जिनके बारे में मैंने बात की थी. So good to know all of you. Bye bye Lucknow. I have no chance of coming there again. See, our stakes are so high by producing each episode. Just want everyone to know what's on stake when we release an episode.
Yeah, Anam अपनी जिंदगी दाव पे लगा के ये काम करती है.
बिल्कुल. Okay. Most hit song of the entire season was सानिया तुमने बहुत तरह के गाने गाए expecting like a deal from a record company but वो नहीं हुआ. But यही बता दो कि हमारा कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा hit song था जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा social media पे traction मिला which became further popular.
Further popular, हमने एक और ऐड कर दिया but ये नहीं पता. But our most liked song was Ki Jurukas. You know there's an email that hopes to find you well. It lived rent-free in many people's minds. My friends would message me like, why did you sing it? Like, it's living in my head rent-free. So yeah, that was the most hit song.
Yeah, and we got a shout out from Kichaluka. He loved what we had done. He'd shared it, and we were like, woohoo! A celebrity acknowledging us was a big thing. So thanks to Sanya's song, we got a lot of applause for that. Okay, Sanya. Now, my favorite award, the award that people have been waiting for all these 18 episodes, and the last award of the evening. Most poll winner award. Just say it, Sanya. Just say it.
Yes, it was you, Anam, but इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है. तो ये आपको कंडीशनल
जिंदगी चली जाती है.
कंडीशनल उस पे दिया गया है कि अनम हैज वन is innocent
80
until found guilty. Yes.
Allowed to keep term. Anyway, I am the poll winner. Everyone's been asking that. So anyway, if you need any autographs, I'm right here. But anyway, Sanya is just making faces and doing drum shots with me. Okay, so everybody, I am the poll winner. The secret has been revealed. I am
That
the
was not a
original
secret,
winner.
Anam.
So anyway, no one's sitting and counting. But yeah, this ends on a good note because I'm the winner. We're ending the award section here. So over to you, Sanya.
Woo! Yeah, and we will be back with more awards. But for now, let's go to closing.
That's a wrap on our season of Bold. Thank you for hanging out with us and being a part of our storytelling journey.
It's been a pleasure sharing stories with you all. Thank you all for the love. Have a wonderful holiday season and let us be the first to wish you a happy, story-worthy 2026.
While we collect more stories to share with you, it's us, Anam and Sanya, signing off and keeping the stories alive. Adab.
Adab. Bye.